Good evening, folks. Welcome to another show of El Camerino Deportivo, First in Sports. Tonight's show will be about the Stanley Cup Finals. Yes, the Las Vegas Golden Knights. The Vegas Golden Knights faced off against the Carolina Hurricanes with 23 shots on goal from the Golden Knights and 27 shots on goal from the Carolina Hurricanes. 5 goals for the Golden Knights, 4 for the Carolina Hurricanes. 50.8% of the face-offs were won by the team of the Golden Knights. 49.2% of the face-offs won by the Hurricanes. None of the teams scored on power play. 4 penalty minutes by the Vegas Golden Knights and 6 by the Carolina Hurricanes. 35 hits by the Vegas Golden Knights, 26 by the Hurricanes. 16 blocked shots from the Golden Knights, 13 by Carolina. Yes, 13 blocked shots by Carolina. 18 giveaways by the team of the Golden Knights. 16 by the Hurricanes. 7 takeaways from the Hurricanes. 3 from the Golden Knights. Let's talk about this game. Let's get it. The third star for the game was Howden. Howden is a center for the Golden Knights with 1 goal, 1 assist, 2 points. Ehlers, 2 goals, 0 assists, 2 points, left wing for the Carolina Hurricanes. And Theodore, 1 goal and 2 assists, 3 points by the defenseman Theodore of the Vegas Golden Knights. The first period went as follows. Ehlers scored a goal on a snapshot, which made it 1-0. Then, later on in the first period, a backhanded shot by Ehlers made it 2-0. Then Shea Theodore had a goal on a slap shot, which made it 2-1 entering the second period. Then Ivan Barbashev had a snapshot goal that tied the game at 2 for the Vegas Golden Knights. And remember, Shea Theodore also plays for the Vegas Golden Knights. William Karlsson scored a snapshot that made it 3-2 in the second period. Then we see Jordan Staal tie the game on a snapshot. 3-3 entering the third period, a final period of the game. Brett Howden scored a goal by Tippin, which made it 4-3 by the Vegas Golden Knights. Then we see Ghostisby here scored the tying goal at 4 on a snapshot. Then we see Thomas Hurdle, yes, scored on a goal, a snapshot goal by Thomas Hurdle, which gave the victory for the Golden Knights. Well, folks, I want to say thank you to each one of you who is tuning in to this show of the Stanley Cup Finals. Next game will be this Thursday. Yes, this Thursday will be the next game, which will be the 4th of June. Yes, 4th of June. Thank you for each one of you for tuning in to El Camerino Deportivo on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Thank you so much for listening.